Okay guys, we're back. I've let the hood test sections thoroughly dry, and we're now going to check it out with the light. I've already noticed a distinct difference between the two sections. Now, bear in mind, this is going to require polishing to be fully corrected, but I tested both sections with my hand, and both sections are amazingly different in the feel and smoothness of them. So again, this is the Autoscrub test. There is the Autoscrub towel and the proprietary lubricant for it. And like I said, I'll be experimenting more with other quick detailer lubricants as well as my drying towel. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see on the towel there, I don't know if it translates in the video, but there are lots of contaminants that I pulled off with the Autoscrub. That is the side I used to wipe the Autoscrub. So there are a lot of contaminants that did pull off in the towel. So I'm going to fire up my light here, and this first section down here is the section with clay. Now you can see the paint blemishes, but they are considerably less than they were before I started the clay. And then as we move into the Autoscrub section, there is almost a sheen. Now there are swirl marks that are not the fault of the Autoscrub that were there before, but I don't know if you can see the difference. There is a slight haze pulling off some of the dead paint as well as the embedded contaminants. I would liken this towel to something like a 12,000 grit sandpaper, the same type of effect on the paint. And like I said, I only did this tech section for probably, a minute and a half. And here is the difference in the two. There's, I don't know if you can see the line, but the section between the Autoscrub and the clay is right in between the lights. And like I said, this is not a very good example for paint, but I can definitely feel a difference in the smoothness of the paint regarding the Autoscrub and the clay. So that's my review currently of the Autoscrub, and I'm going to be testing it out more thoroughly, and I'll give you an update once I get to it. It'll be used on other cars that are where the paint's in considerably better shape, but I'm currently pretty much sold on this system. It certainly takes a considerably low amount of effort to do the paint as opposed to clay, which you're only working with a piece the size of 3 or 4 fingers as opposed to one the size of your hand. So it definitely does go a lot faster than claying does. So that's pretty much my review of the Autoscrub for the time being. And again, this is Josh with OC Detailing in Dillsburg. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.